Hello and hi to beautiful people. This is your trainer Muhammad Akbar. Again, I'm here with another lesson, that is homophones. So what is homophones in English language? The very first thing we need to understand, the homophones, the word which is very similar, which is very common to the different word, to the different words in terms of pronunciation, in terms of sound. It looks very similar. It cannot be understood, the concept of that word and the homophones cannot be understood and comprehended until you use it with the condition and the one thing we need to understand, that is spelling must be different from each other, or meaning must be different from each other. Sometimes both of them could be different, but the pronunciation must be similar and it looks very equal. Okay, so that is the homophones. So I want to clear more with the example. The very first word is BYE. When I say BYE, it means when you are talking to each other, when you want to end up, you want to wrap up your talk and your communication, your talking, your meeting, so you should say bye. It means I am going to leave you now. So that is the condition, BYE, you should say bye. But the second word, that is BY, bye. It is similar to the BYE, but it is pronounced like that, bye. BY, when it is the sort of preposition when someone is doing something, so you should say when you make the sentence in passive voice, so you should say this book is written by my teacher Muhammad Yunus Hashmi. So that is the condition, that is the by. And the second one, the second homophones is immigrate or emigrate. Okay, both words are very similar, but meaning is much different. That is, but immigrate when you enter to the different country with the intention of living. Okay, and emigrate when you are living some certain place, some previous place where you used to live. So you should say I am leaving Kolkata because right now I am living here. But when you enter to the different place, different area, different locality, different region, so you should say immigrate, do not say emigrate, because emigrate when you leave the place, or immigrate when you enter to the different region, to the different land. So that is the difference in terms of the meaning, but the result is same. Because why I am leaving the place? Because I am tired, because it is not good for environment, is not good. I'm not feeling good here, and because of some reasons, some problems. So that's why we are changing the place, we are shifting, we are coming over to the different place permanently. So that is the emigrate or immigrate. So that's why people are saying that we should do immigration, because we are entering to different state, to the different land. So that is the immigration. But in India, like we are living in India, so when you leave the place, so that is the emigration, not the immigration. Immigration when you are entering to the different place, so that is the immigration. So I hope that you got to know what is the difference between emigration, immigration, and among three words, that is the by, 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 bye. So that is the homophones. We need to understand. It looks very similar. It sounds very common, but people cannot understand until you have some certain place, some certain reason, certain condition. I hope that you have enjoyed. If you like this video, if you like this content, so please my dear, like this video, subscribe my channel, and one thing, you need to click the bell icon whenever I'll make any video in future, so you will be notified by those videos. Thanks for watching me.